Welcome. Here I have a beautiful piece of cedar wood. Beautiful cathedral grain going through it there. But I have a problem, and I'm sure you guys have had it too. See that right there? Yeah, that hole. I gotta fix it. Can't deliver my product like that. Now, in my past video, I've showed you how I fixed a knot. Today I'm going to share with you something I've learned as to how to fix these holes. Well, first, I used to use something like a mixture of sawdust and concentrated sanding sealer, or I would use sawdust with glue, a mixture of that. But the thing with those, you have to wait forever before you can sand and prepare. And even after that, sometimes when the putty or the sealer and sawdust mixture dries, or when the glue and sawdust mixture dry, what happens is it sinks. And because you already have your finish on there, there's nothing you can do. So this is how I've learned how to do it. You take a piece of wood, like whatever wood you're using, has to be the same kind of wood, unless you're trying to decorate your wood, I don't know. But you use a piece of wood from the stock. You'll need a pencil sharpener. You'll need something to work the glue down into the hole. You'll need an hacksaw blade or whatever you can use to cut off the remainder of the stock. And you'll also need a sander to sand off the plug you're going to put into the wood. I'll prepare my piece of stock and I'll get back to you. So here my piece of stock is all prepared. There it is. Just a little piece of wood sharpened with a pencil sharpener. Then what you want to do is you want to get some glue inside the hole. Put a liberal amount because it's going to go down into the hole. Then you can use a nail, whatever you have that will fit inside the hole. And there's some holes that are smaller that you might want to just open them a little bit. Okay, so we have the glue down there. Get some glue on the plug also. You just, with a hammer, you just drive it in. Until it won't go anymore. Then with your piece of wood, you want to cut that piece of wood off. With your hacksaw, you want to cut that off. And you just clean the remainder of that glue off. Then with your sander, you just sand it off. And there you have it. No more long wait for the putty to dry or the filling to dry. You just do that and keep on working on your project. Hope you enjoy this and hope you learn something and apply it to your work, you can go view my other videos in which I show a few other things. Peace out.